Welcome to another recipe on Rhythm of Flavors. Last dish in this series of leftover recipes will be a simple stuffed bread wrap. Ingredients list is also available in the description box below. To prepare our stuffing, I have taken peas masala. You can try any leftover veggies for the stuffing. What I'm trying to do is to dry out the stuffing as much as possible. Mash the dish lightly using back of your ladle. To it, add little breadcrumbs, which is optional, chopped coriander leaves, and give it a quick stir. Now take 2 fresh slices of bread and roll them out as flat as possible. Cut this flattened bread using a cookie cutter or anything round available at home that will do the trick. Now take one bread, little water and the stuffing. Take a portion of the stuffing, put it at the center of the bread and roll it just the way I do. I apply little water to the edges so that the bread does not open up. So my one bread wrap is ready. Repeat the process for any number of wraps you want to make. Now in a pan, take 1 teaspoon to a tablespoon of butter. Put the wraps open side downwards first so that it is sealed well. Butter will add flavor to our snack. Cook them until you see the reddish streaks on your wrap. Enjoy this easy, crunchy and yummy wrap and satisfy your taste bud. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you like this recipe. Leave your comments in the section below. Spread the word about my channel and subscribe for more recipes.